Samsung is going to shock everyone. Yes, Galaxy S23 Ultra is turning out to be a great upgrade for everyone. According to the Geekbench 5 scores, which tests CPU performance, the Snapdragon 8 General 2 should bring at least 25% better single-core score, and a hopping 45% better multi-core score compared to the Exynos 2200 from the Galaxy S22, and that's not even the final form of the 8 Gen 2. CPU aside, leaked GFX benchmarks show that compared to the Exynos 2200, the Snapdragon 8 General 2 is improved by at least 60% while being at least 85% more efficient. These are what the tech world calls unreal numbers. But things keep getting more interesting because the Snapdragon 8 General 2 powered Galaxy S23 won't just be a huge improvement over older Exynos and Qualcomm chips. On the other hand, Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 General 2 is built on TSMC's Fordham standard. Therefore, theoretically, once Apple is ready to shift into a new gear, whether it's 4mm or 3mm, the upcoming iPhone 15 Pro would likely leave the Snapdragon 8 General 2 in the dust. Samsung has introduced a new 200-megapixel ISO-cell HPX sensor, which is the third 200-megapixel sensor following last year's ISO-cell HP1, and this year's introduction of ISO-cell HP3. The ISO-cell HPX comes with some great specs, and most of people are jumping to the conclusion tab. This is going to be the main sensor for the Galaxy S23 Ultra, but that's not happening at all. Actually, it will have the new unannounced 200-megapixel HP2 sensor that will deliver the best camera performance we have ever seen. Now, according to Ice Universe, Samsung has improved the night photography and videos on the S23 Ultra, and it's actually a good news for Samsung fans. Samsung has also unveiled a super steady video mod feature on the Galaxy S22 Ultra, which was fantastic at that time. Now Samsung seems a bit worried after watching the action mod on iPhone 14 Pro, which is introduced by Apple for the very first time. Finally, Samsung is going to step up with the S23 Ultra according to Lister. Samsung is bringing the Ultra Stabilization mod on the S23 Ultra. It could be a major jump in sharpness and video quality that we can expect to be able to show that even 4K resolution. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.